So we have the whiskers and her eyelashes to put in. Now, this is the section that tends to frighten people a little bit, understandably. The whiskers are, there's something you want to put in one go. You don't want to have to work over the line too many times. You want them to show up very easily, so you actually need to press quite hard for this to work properly. But equally, you press too hard and your pencil isn't sharp enough and they'll become too thick. So I would practice this first. I'm actually going to buy a Caran d'Ache white soon, because I think the Caran d'Ache will actually make the whiskers a little bit easier, but I'm not sure yet. So I will let you know if that is the case when I do get one. So I'm just going to start inside one of these follicles. Don't worry about the fact that this is going to show up too brightly inside the follicle. We'll make each whisker and eyelash disappear in afterwards. So it's all about swift pencil marks, a bit of confidence, and making sure that you're happy with the direction that these need to go in. Do not panic if one goes down and it looks a little bit rubbish. Best thing to do is leave it alone. Don't try and rub it out to start with. I would finish doing all of your whiskers first, and then instead of actually rubbing it out, I like to dab the rubber very carefully over the top, just so that it fades a little bit. If you really try to rub out any of these marks, you're probably going to make a bit of a mess. They tend not to rub out entirely, and then you've got another problem on your hand to try and get rid of the mess that you've just created there. So I'm going to twizzle my board a little bit to put her lashes in, just so I can get the best angle to draw from. Pop a small one in here. We can't really see the lashes on this side. There we go. So I'm really happy with those lashes and the whiskers. That really came from a sharp pencil. Make sure you are using the medium, it says on it, instead of the soft. The soft is quite difficult to draw whiskers in, I find. Once they've gone in, we need to, as I said, embed each whisker. So I'm going to start, especially with these ones just here, by tapping. So I'm not smudging, I'm just tapping up and down, and you'll find that the base of those marks softly disappear. For those on her muzzle, however, there's quite a lot that are close together. So I'm going to take the 175, just blow off that dust. And again, I'm almost going to tap with this now, and I'm just working it in very, very lightly at the base of each whisker, and you'll find that they start to disappear very quickly. So gently tapping, or just small little stroking marks, and the base of each whisker should just fade into your pastel work. So I'm not pressing at all here. If you press, this will be too strong. So I hope you've enjoyed this class. Thank you so much for joining me, and until next time, happy drawing.